So let's move to the next part, that's crypto exchanges, which is also most important part of the crypto industry. So this is the first place where the crypto coins meet at the marketplaces to the users. So these are kind of the ramps for the investors and the traders so that they can move in and out of the cryptocurrency. The trading activity takes place over here, and these trading activity actually determines the prices of these assets. So most of them exchanges list Bitcoin and other alternate coins, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Doge, ICP, Binance Coin, USD. There are many XYZ coins, and they make million of dollars from per day by the gas fees or the network fees they charge it on. So each and every transaction is converted into another form and send it to another wallet, and fees has to be taken. So for each transaction you need to pay a gas fees or network fees, they charge it out. So top exchanges as you can see in the list are the Binance, Gate.io, Coinbase, UB, Bitnam, OKEX. And for India we have popular ones are CoinSearch, Kuber, WazirX, ZepPay, CoinDCX, BitBNS. I'm gonna show you WazirX and BitBNS currently. So these are the apps I will tell you, like you have to download these apps, and these are the most important apps, you can search it out. Currently WazirX is owned by the Binance, so you have a direct access to the other cryptocurrency which are not listed on the WazirX. Since I have downloaded WazirX, I will show you. Go to the WazirX and just complete your profile, KYC, everything. You just basic things, just you like creating a Facebook account, it's basics, literally basic, like name, and you just banking payment option, you just fill it out, the UPIs and the bank options that you have, just get them verified. And you need to do the KYC as well. Just do your KYC, they ask for it, and just do the KYC, PAN card and ID proof, they need to upload it and just get it verified so that you can do your trade. So this is the home screen that looks like cloud. Then click on exchange, you can see the current coins that you have in INR, in USDT. You can see the trading volumes and charts they have right now. Currently the market is in very dip. Today is whole red day, bloodbath. So it's the best time to purchase right now. And that's the pair I was talking about. So you have to purchase these coins, you can purchase in pairs as well. If you have USDT, you can purchase these coins. Some of them coins are available in pairs only, like I've shown in favorite link I have. These coins are in pairs only, so these exist in pairs. Orders you gonna see over here, order open and history, every orders you executed you can see. In funds you can see how much funds and every coin you have, what the value, currently value they have. P2P that I was talking about, when you have to buy it from another person. To purchase, click on INR and this the amount, and click on deposit. Currently IMPACE or WazirX is not working, and the payment gateway they have using is P2P that I told you. You can buy from the another deposit buyer, just put in the order, and if another one purchase it and feels like you have to go through it, you feels like it's the right amount they are sending you, then you can go through it. And the another thing that I was telling you, the deposit payment gateway they have right now, you enter the amount. Currently they are using MobiKwik wallet, so you need to make sure you have a MobiKwik wallet and have amount in it, and it should be KYC verified as well so that you can do the processing. Deposit comes in an hour or so, and within seconds you can do the purchase as well. So there is no issues in that. You have to earn some you have to pay some fees as well. So there is, to download it I am sharing you the link as well for the same. Currently if you're new, I would suggest go for the BitBNS app, because they have very good platform right now, because they are accepting UPI payments as well. Do the KYC and everything over here. I'm sharing the download link as well for the same. As you have done in WazirX, you have to do the same process as well here. So over here you can deposit amount, go to the wallet, add money, deposit here. See, you can see all the options you have, UPI, MobiKwik and everything you have. So if you want to deposit right now, start it over here from 100 rupees as well. You start trading. They have many coins as well. They have SafeMoon as well for the meme coins you want to start. So you can start from SafeMoon, Doge coins. You can do it, and I'm sharing the link of the same. And there's a basic thing, you can check it out. The trade that you want to do, click on the trade, buy and sell. Just put your order, and this order is gonna execute it. Check out in my orders, and the next in a minute or seconds the order is gonna be in your wallet. So you can do it in that way also.